Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'll show you how to fix your wifi problem if you're not working and the likes. So now if you wifi is not showing, you should go to command prompt as you can see and then type ping 127.1.1.1 and press enter. So if you see the command prompt is giving you this result, so that means that your computer has no problem with Wi-Fi, it's just with the same problem. So then next thing, search control panel and then as you can see, open it. If you open the control panel, go to network and internet and then go to internet options. If you go to internet options, as you can see here, go to advanced and then reset all this thing and play tap reset. As you can see, all default setting are come back. Then try your Wi-Fi. If that doesn't work, then tap window R and then tap service.msc or you can search it. So now, not this one, services, sorry, services, there is us, and then wait for it as you come in, then open, go to wlan.config, look for it. After you see it, yes, as you can see here, it and then restart it here. Then you should restart it after it's finished restarting. So check your Wi-Fi. After you see this one, after it finish, so now it finished, and then cancel this and cancel it. So now try checking your Wi-Fi. So as you can see, the Wi-Fi now is here, and because there is no any Wi-Fi, it will have connect. So thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.